What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. Now, this is going to be a very in-depth video. We're going to be covering everything from price action, where I think management is headed, the overall market. Is this a good buying opportunity? What's it going to take to break the short interest, institutional ownership? I'm going to give you everything in this video, and I'm going to try to be as honest as possible. But I'm telling you guys right now, I believe this stock is on the verge of a massive breakout. Even after the substantial run up that we've already had, I think that earnings report that we just had in Q2 has just flipped the script for SoFi and put us in a brand new fintech category at the top of the food chain, okay? This company is thriving right now. We had a little bit of a setback on that offering, but I believe the dust is about to settle on that offering. We just hit day 7 since that offering, guys. Time is flying. Is this a good buying opportunity? We continue to hear that question. I personally was loading up, last week when we had that big pullback. I think it was on Friday, and I loaded up some leaps, okay? I gave those exact options trade inside of my VIP Patreon, and also a lot of you guys are always talking about what other stocks that I'm buying right now. Well, I'm actually buying another stock. It is listed in the VIP Patreon group. It is a stock that is beat down. A lot of people on Twitter right now are, talking a bunch of crap, believe it's going to zero. That is the type of opportunities I like to get my hands on, and that's exactly what we've been doing the past couple of days. And I also think that stock is very close to the bottom, and that's why I've decided to start accumulating it. Now, going back to SoFi, okay, the stock is up massively over the past 12 months. But where is the big money going to be made? And I believe the big money is going to be made right here. They are trying to fight you till the death, till the end, these short sellers. We've already touched 25, then 24, pull back to 20 again. We're back at 22. Guys, they do not want us to break over that $25 level. Once we break over that $25 level, that is where the big money is going to be made, because I'm telling you, we are going to smash through all-time highs, $28. Imagine if the stock pulls a double from here, 22 to 44. A lot of people, are new, just getting into the stock. That's a nice double. But for the people that were accumulating in the $7, $10, $12, $14 range, I mean, you're looking at some massive gains when we get into that $45 level. And I believe this offering we had is what management needed to do to take this stock past 45. You are going to see some extreme growth coming our way in Q3 and Q4. And I really think profitability is about to take off. We already got that, software as a service score, that rule of 40. SoFi is sitting at a level of 74 on the rule of 40. You're seeing other companies like Robinhood and Palantir hover around the 90 level, guys. We are thriving in our fintech category. I think this stock is going to go a lot higher from here, but I'm telling you right now, they're trying to shake everyone out to the end. All you got to do is dime in hand and take advantage when there's massive opportunities. And that's exactly what we saw last week with that 9% pullback, where inside of the VIP Patreon, guys, we loaded up heavier on those, longer term leaps. And I believe those are going to pay off massively. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, take a look at the SoFi stock right here, okay? We know we've hit 25 and 24, and we continue to pull back after that offering. But you can see today the market was really hot in the morning. I mean, everything was up like 3 to 5%. Look at this. SoFi was down about 1% at 9:55 a.m. And then look at this. It just bounced back, came back down again, down 0.64. And then look at this, guys. The stock just freaking ran up towards the end of the day, almost up 3%. And then look at this, guys. We're up in the after hours. We're breaking over 22 again. I think this is where we head to that retest of that $25 level, okay? So this would be about the, third time we got right around that range, that 24, 25. The third time, I believe, is going to be a charm, and we are going to smash through this. A lot of things have to do with, management right now and timing market news. We need some big news to bounce over this 25, clear it, and never come back. The higher we go, the more likely we are eligible for the S&P 500, okay? We are good to go on market cap right now. Market cap requirements, 22.7. Let's just bring this down a little bit right here. We're at 26 billion. That dilution, that offering is going to help a little bit. That's going to bring us up 1.7 billion. So I'm telling you guys right now, we are fully qualified on profitability and market cap. All we need to do now is go higher. Third time's a charm, the $25 level. I understand it's been rough. The shorts have been hammering the stock, but this is where the big money gets made. you break this level, I mean, we're going to have, thousands upon thousands new investors having a, dollar cost average at the $30 level, okay? And that's just how, stock market works, okay? Take advantage of the dips, you take advantage of the discounts. Otherwise, you have to buy higher. And we have to continue to bring this up every couple of weeks because we have new people always watching the channel. And take a look at this. This is the massive update for investors. Here is the management's bonus compensation packages. These were built out almost 4 years ago when they went public at $10. The problem was the stock just got hammered for 3 years because of the macro and the interest rates. 25, 35, and 45. You can see Anthony Noto, the CEO, and Crystal Point, the CFO, the bonus compensation packages they're going to get, okay? 53, 75, 96, cumulative, 289 million if Noto can break that 45. Crystal Point, 37 million. Gil, she's not with us anymore. And then Derek White, 33 million. So the big one is Anthony Noto. He has $300 million on the line for his family, and he decided to do a offering. Why would he do the offering? It's because he is trying to put nitrous oxide back into the business, bringing down the cost of debt and refueling the lending business, okay? This is going to be the big move. This is what's going to get SoFi to compound, I believe, in 2026 over 35%. I'm telling you guys right now, SoFi is about to take off. He's not going to miss out on this $300 bonus package. He's going to hit that level, and the $45 level needs to be hit by mid-2026. We only got 10 months left, guys. We're already in August. Time is flying. And take a look, guys. I said the dust has settled. It's time for SoFi management to drop the nuke, okay? It's been 7 days since the offering, and the stock's a lot higher than the offering price of $20.80. We're almost up $1.30 from, that offering. So it's been about a week. And I believe management team was letting whoever was in on this offering accumulate, buy up more dips to hold up a bigger base for the stock. And now that these guys have accumulated their shares, you can see the stock starting to run a little bit over 22. I think SoFi management team is about to drop the hammer, guys. What type of hammers? We're going to cover that right now. And here it is, guys. SoFi has made 0 announcements inside of 2025. Cash Coach, Level 1 options, crypto, LPB deals, loan platform business. We have 10 Galileo clients' names that we don't know about. These are 10 deals that have been confirmed. Anthony Noto has confirmed these deals. He thought it was going to be 6 to 7 out of the 10. He confirmed we're getting 10 new revenue streams in 2026. So these deals are closed. They're just finalizing integration. Revenue's coming in Q1 2026. What is it going to be? This is the rocket fuel we need to send this stock to all-time highs, $28. Remember, guys, 3rd time's a charm. We're about to retest that 25. This is the big move. And here it is, guys. I just want everybody new to the channel to understand because not everyone covered the earnings call, but Anthony Noto, the CEO, confirmed SoFi just closed 10 new Galileo clients that are going to see revenue inside of Q1 2026. So they're not producing revenue for Q3 or Q4. That's because they're in integration phase. He thought this was going to be 6 deals out of 10 closing, but it looks like they got all 10 of the clients that they were going after. I believe the market is not priced in any of this tech platform growth, and I believe the fair value is about $45 once these companies start producing revenue. Now I said, guys, it's happening now. SoFi did the dilution deal. They increased their EPS, and I believe they're going to blow out their current EPS estimates of 31 cents. I think they're going to be coming in at 39 cents. Over this next quarter, I think they're going to raise to 31 to 34, and then by Q4, guys, they might raise it to like 36. And then I think they're going to come in with the home run and blast off with 39 cents EPS. This is a home run. Remember, guys, 80 cents EPS is the goal for 2026. No analyst on Wall Street believes it's going to happen. SoFi is thriving. You're getting the top line growth, the bottom line profitability, and you're getting the fee-based revenue start to skyrocket. I'm extremely excited for this company, and I believe our time is coming pretty soon. And let's take a look at the put and call options on SoFi right now. I believe all the calls getting wiped out from last week is going to be what's going to allow us to fuel this next move higher because, that was a massive, massive earnings call, and we're good to go, guys. Look at this week. We got calls of 84,000, put 77,000, small, tiny. Next week it's up a little bit higher, but look at the next 4 weeks out. 20,000 calls, 26,000, 13,000, 1,000. Everything's been wiped out since earnings. We are starting from fresh. I believe the people inside the offering have accumulated the base. They're holding the stock up. And I believe Anthony Noto has a game plan to get this stock into the S&P 500. Now go over to my Twitter and you have the opportunity to take a vote. I said stay invested. It's coming any day now. This is the big hammer that management is about to drop. Here are the 4 hammers. The crypto launch confirmed. 2 Galileo deals, names. I think they could potentially give us 2 names out of the 10. Level 1 options everyone's waiting for. It's going to get more people onto the invest platform. A $5 billion new LPB deal. I think this is definitely for sure because you're seeing the origination volumes on LPB skyrocket. And you can see the votes are coming in right now. 52% the crypto launch confirmed is what everyone thinks is going to take us, to the next level. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to continue to keep you updated on the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Hope you guys have a great day.